Hey guys, in tonight's episode, Cowboy stir fry. All right guys, I found this recipe on the Blackstone YouTube channel. I'm gonna go ahead and recreate it. I'm gonna make some tweaks along the way. I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing. All right guys, while the grill is heating up, I'll go ahead and show you the ingredients real quick. So I decided to go with a little over half a pound of skirt steak. I put some olive oil on there and seasoned it with some Cajun seasoning and some adobo. I'm using some kielbasa just like the recipe did. Same thing with the potatoes. I have some red potatoes back here. In here I have squash, red pepper, cabbage and onion, and then the corn for later on. All right guys, since the potatoes are gonna take the longest, we'll start with that first. I'm gonna go ahead and add some seasoning on the potatoes now. Some chili powder. I'm gonna go ahead and dome it up. All right guys, we're gonna throw the steak on as well. So I had the left side of the grill on high for the potatoes and the steak. I'm gonna keep the right side of the grill on lower and get the vegetables going as well. So I said earlier I was gonna volumize it. I didn't realize how much it was gonna be, but I wanted leftover, so this will work out great. In a few minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and toss the potatoes around and redome them. All right guys, time to flip this steak. Look at the color on that. All right guys, now that the potatoes have a little bit of color on them, they've cooked a little bit, we're gonna use some water and dome them. It should help speed up the process as far as cooking the potatoes. All right guys, the potatoes are done. I moved them to the left and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the heat on this side. All right guys, time to start putting it all together. So the amount of steak I'm using in proportion to this is not that much. However, it was pretty expensive and the kielbasa will add a little bit more meat to it, but play around with the ingredients, add, subtract as you please. Hey guys, there you have it, my first Cowboy stir fry. If you want to see what I'm cooking up next, join me in the next video.